Hi, today we're introducing the Max Keyboard Premium Cherry MX Sampler Kit. Normally, when people purchase a Cherry MX switch sampler kit, they're given individual switches and keycaps like this. But it doesn't give you the actual feel of typing on a real mechanical keyboard. After a few tests, my fingers will get hurt by the sharp pins underneath. This is not what we recommend. Our package includes the Max Keyboard Premium Cherry MX Sampler Kit with 4 O-rings and 4 clear keycaps. It is designed to simulate the actual feeling on a real Cherry MX switch mechanical keyboard by mounting all the actual switches on a PCB. For those of you who are unfamiliar with mechanical keyboards, this kit is a great way to test the feel of the switches before you purchase a keyboard. Here we have the 4 most popular Cherry MX switches: the red, black, brown, and blue. The red is a linear switch. It goes straight down when you press it. It has a 45-gram actuation force. Black is a linear switch as well, but it will feel heavier when you press it down. It has a 60-gram actuation force. Blue is a clicky tactile switch. You will feel a tactile bump in between when it clicks. It has a 50-gram actuation force. Brown is a tactile switch. It has a 45-gram actuation force. It's a softer bump and no click. So here we have the 4 O-rings included with the sampler kit. You place them underneath your keycap. And what the O-ring does is it is a sound dampener which reduces the noise and also shortens the distance by 0.4 millimeters when you're bottoming down the keys. So here we'll do a comparison of a Max Keyboard switch without the O-rings versus it with. Okay, there you have it, the Max Keyboard Cherry MX Sampler Kit. Thanks for watching.